my office in London. Now, I've been sent some stuff. I've tried to group it together because I do get so many things. Now, this is all about sleep, which you definitely need if you want to look good. So, gone are the days of not having any sleep and looking good. You do need that because it will stop all your stress levels. I have got this big black box. Oh! And I'm going to open it and I'm going to show you what's inside. Right. This is a very special, perfect for sleeping no matter where you are in the world. And this is a sleep set. Now, I've actually got one of these pillows. I've actually bought these pillowcases for friends. They're satin pillowcases, so you don't get any creases on your face. And I've got a satin pillowcase too. So here we go. I mean, this is all black, so I don't know if you're going to see this. But you've got a small pillowcase, an eye mask, which I never use, but I know people do. And I don't know what this other thing is. What is this? Let's see. Well, hold on a minute. What does it say? Sleep with us and tell your friends. Slip pillowcase, better care, the better it will care for you. Doesn't tell me what's inside, but you know what the good thing is? It's machine washable, which is major, to be honest, because you're not going to keep on dry cleaning stuff. So this is an anti-aging sleep, you know, obviously don't get creases on your face, travel size and a mask. So I'm going to open that. I don't use an eye mask, but I know loads of people do like to. That's a look. Oh, a bit bunny ears now. So that's gorgeous. And then this, I mean, I'm definitely going to be using this. This is beautiful. So, see ya. Not really. Anyway, that I love. Mucked up my hair now, whatever. Yeah, this is gorgeous. Yeah, this is a beautiful present. And this zips off, so machine washable. I really wish I did like these. I just don't actually need to cover my eyes when I go to sleep. But you would look gorgeous if you were sleeping and with these on. Yeah, super, super lovely. Okay, moving swiftly on. Don't want to bore you. That's me. Another little thing. Right, so this is about sleep as well. This, I've been sent Alchemy. I don't know if you know this brand. But they do like, they do these beautiful oils, hair oils, and they're vegan, so that's always good. They sent me this little press pack, a beautiful hair oil, which nourishes and soothes and strengthens, and this is grapefruit. I think its packaging's nice because it's not plasticky or anything. So, hair oil strengthens and smooths. So let's smell. Oh, it smells gorgeous actually. Really amazing. Wow. Love that. I don't actually need my hair smoothed, but strengthened for sure. They sent me this lovely candle. I mean, who doesn't like a candle? They sent me also a Dream After Dark. This is must be a lip balm. Cute. Oh, and a timer, a sand timer to have an organic sleepy tea with. So these are all things that, you know, That's obviously how long it takes for your tea to brew. Yeah, that's quite beautiful. Oh, thank you guys. So if you have trouble sleeping, there's a few other little bits. So let's move on. This is not sleep. This is a non-friction. See, I get loads of different stuff all the time. This is a non-friction shaving, shaving your legs. So I've got this very weighty, personalised with Wendy on it, which is quite cool. Do you notice I've still got some stuff in the back of my hand? Shaver, and it's got a little thing that you can put it in the shower with, which I love because I only ever shave in the shower. I don't know about you guys. Some cream, and what is this called then? This is called FFS. Some shaving foam, some after cream for the legs. If you haven't had them lasered, I haven't had my legs lasered because I didn't get around to it. And you can't go in the sun after you have them lasered for a little while. So I'm always going in the sun, so it's quite difficult. But yeah, I'm going to be trying this out. I mean, it really looks quite gorgeous. And thanks team FFS. And that's what it looks like. See, I get sent loads of different things. So that was a few little different things. Sleep, shave, and just travel. So tune back in and see what else I'm unboxing, and you can find out about new things. Bye.